Hello students, a very chilled morning to all of you. Today we are going to do a very important question. You can see the figure of that question. Here we have to prove that perimeter of the shaded region is r into tan theta plus sec theta plus pi theta whole upon 180 degree minus 1. This is first part. In second part we will have to find the area of the shaded region. So first we will do first part of this question. So let's start. In right triangle OAB, you can see here OAB is a right triangle. Why? Because OA is the radius and AB is the tangent, and we know that angle between tangent and radius is right angle. That's why it is right triangle. Now in this triangle AB by OA, AB by OA, that means perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tan theta. In such type of questions, whatever we want to prove, we'll have to calculate those things. Here tan theta, sec theta we want to include in the answer, so that's why we'll have to calculate tan theta, sec theta one by one. So here AB by OA is equal to tan theta. Now AB will be written as it is. In place of OA, you can see the figure, OA is the radius. That's why in place of OA we can write R. Now this R will be cross multiplied. So AB will be equal to R tan theta. I think that much you have understood. Now remaining part of the sum. Again we want to find here sec theta. That's why we will take OB by OA. Means hypotenuse by base. That is equal to sec theta. So here OB by OA is equal to sec theta. Now you can see the figure. OB can be splitted in two parts. That can be written as OC plus CB. So here in place of OB I have written OC plus CB upon OA, and OA is R radius. That's why here I have written R. Now OC you can see in the figure. OC is also the radius. Like OA is radius, OC is also radius. So in place of OC we can write R plus CB whole upon R is equal to sec theta. Now this will be cross multiplied. So here R plus CB is equal to R sec theta. Then we will take this R to right hand side, so it will become negative. After that we will calculate AC. Now this AC is the length of arc, and length of arc's formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So here this 2 and 360 will be cancelled on 180. So after calculation it will come pi r theta by 180 degree. Now we want to find the perimeter of the shaded region, means we have to start from here. You can see AC, then CB, then AB. So here we want to calculate the perimeter of shaded region. That will be equal to AB plus CB plus AC. AB's value we have calculated here, R tan theta. So here it will be replaced by R tan theta. CB we have calculated R sec theta minus R. So here it will be replaced by that value. And AC we have calculated here pi R theta by 180. Now R is common in all, so you take it out. So inside we will have tan theta plus sec theta. Here R is out, so only 1 will be left, minus 1, plus here pi and theta whole upon 180. Now you can rearrange it. So that will be the answer. That is what we wanted to prove. So if you understood, please do practice of such type of questions, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you students.